Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's just Shay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I do everything from beauty videos, fashion videos, lifestyle videos, and travel. So if you're interested, stay tuned. If it's your first time, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you guys. And also, if you're interested in seeing any more videos like this, definitely stay tuned. You can like, comment, share, subscribe, and show love. So first things first, I'm gonna do an outfit of the day. So most of y'all might just look at this and figure that most of you guys may look at this and see that it may look like a muumuu dress, but this is not a muumuu dress, excuse me. And if you know me, you know I love my Ankara fabric. I love everything African. I'm Liberian. Well, first generation American, but I am Liberian. So this dress, actually, I went to the UK. I was in Europe for a little bit, and this dress is from my cousin's wife. I call her my sister-in-law. Holden, thank you so much. She's from Somalia, so she told me that this is pretty much just a traditional Somali fabric dress, what have you. So I love it. Let me do a 360. It's so comfortable. It's not thick. It's not like an Ankara fabric. It's more so of like a cotton silk mix. So it feels awesome. I love the print. I'm a lover of brown. So thank you so much, Holden. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the hospitality while I was in Europe. And so for today, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. While I was in Europe, I was able to get a bag, well, multiple bags, multiple purchases. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Felicie. I haven't worn this bag yet. It's gonna be just a quick unboxing. I have not seen this bag since I returned from Europe. So we're gonna unbox it together. In this video, like most or all of my unboxings are just going to be off the top. I don't have any notes because I'm over taking notes. I'm just gonna go through it with you all. If there's anything in terms of specifications, I will put a link in the description box so you guys could, you know, go to the Louis Vuitton website and you guys can see specifications, excuse me. So without further ado, I'm gonna open this. I love watching unboxing videos, so getting into YouTube, I was like, I'm definitely gonna do more unboxing videos. One thing I dislike is people, when they do these unboxing videos and it's like 30 minutes long. I try to keep mine maximum 10 minutes. So if it's too quick, I'm sorry. If it's not in depth, sorry, not sorry. It's not a review. It's more so of an unboxing. Yeah, so without further ado, here we go. The packaging is just standard. When I traveled, I didn't want to keep any of my shopping bags because I felt like it was gonna carry just so much weight. So that's why you guys see it just in the box. I have my handy dandy receipt. And here we go. So standard Louis Vuitton orange boxing. And here it is. Like I said before, it is the Louis Vuitton Felicie GM in the monogram print with the fuchsia interior. Louis Vuitton was closing that day, so I didn't get the opportunity to hot stamp it. I was able to hot stamp my Keep All 60 monogram purse. I have it in the corner. It's packed and it's heavy, so I won't grab it because I had surgery. I'm not supposed to lift anything more than 5 pounds in my hand. So I won't show you the hot stamping of that purse. I'll just more so insert a picture, because when I have the receipt, you guys are gonna see when I post it, it says hot stamping. Hot stamping is free, but I did not hot stamp this purse. I hot stamped the luggage tag for my Keep All 60. Yep, just standard, the canvas dust bag. I keep all my purses in their original boxes and the dust bag, and that just preserves the bag. So here we are. I'm gonna do a little close up so you guys could see the print. It has the fuchsia pink interior, and it has a gold chain, but it also comes with, I just want to call these two wallets. When I do get it hot stamped, it'll be hot stamped right here under the logo. And this is where I'll probably just put my cards. I don't really carry cash, but my receipts will probably go in here. And the back is just standard. And then you also have this zip pouch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for, honestly, but here it is. Regardless, I'm gonna put these on the bed and just open this up. So it has a gold chain, gold hardware. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see, or come close, excuse me, so you guys can see the consistency of the gold hardware. It's also removable. You can remove the chain if you would like. Let me just get in here a little close. You could just wear it as a clutch without the chain. I'm probably gonna wear it with the chain because I love hands-free. Yeah, I'm so much into like clutches now and just things that are super hand-free and just easy. So here's the interior of the purse with the wallets and the little pouch inside. There is a back pocket here. Yeah, my phone definitely will fit in here. Lip gloss, a little perfume, my Louis Vuitton card case. I'll probably just use that and just not use this, honestly. I'll probably just use this to travel or just not use it at all. Let me know what you guys use this pouch for. Probably lipstick or something, but I don't want to ruin the integrity of the purse by putting lip gloss or stuff in. So let me know what you guys use this for in the comments. It definitely retains the shape. It's more so of like a boxy clutch. It's not something that's just so soft and gonna be ruined. Honestly, I'll probably crossbody it. Yeah, this looks like a vibe, I think, personally. Let me know how you guys wear yours. I'm just more so curious to see. So this was purchased at Louis Vuitton Paris at Champs-Élysées. It was, excuse me. So in euros, it was 1,150. They added the tax to that. It was 20%. I presented my passport, my US passport, and I was able to get 12% off. So honestly, I think it came about up to 1,300. I'll look in my transactions and see if I can pull up the exact price. But if you do know, Europe has everything cheaper in terms of luxury. And if you are a US citizen, I can't speak for any other countries, but if you're a US citizen, you get 12% back in taxes once you're leaving Paris. Once you go to the airport, or once you're shopping, excuse me, you present your passport, they'll fill out the documentation. You can elect for your refund, your back tax refund, to go back to either your credit card of purchase, or you can elect to receive cash, and that cash will be in euros, and it'll be once you're leaving to go back to either the US, or if you have travel elsewhere, that is when you will head to the desk and claim your VAT tax with your documentation. It's so simple. There are kiosks all over the airport. No hassle, no lines or anything. I definitely will recommend you, if you do pay with your card in store, I just recommend you, elect for a credit card refund. It's so simple. You don't have to do anything. And if you're always in a time crunch when you're traveling like me, it's just easier. You wouldn't have to then go to either the duty free and receive your refund in cash. Just too much. So keep that in mind if you're going to Europe, or Paris, excuse me, and you are going to need a refund. Pretty much this purse is going to be used to just go to brunch, anything real simple and quick if I'm doing errands or something cute. I'm not really going to use this to go out to dinner or anything because I feel like it's just like one of those cute little brunch outfit purses. Definitely cute and compact, and sleek. And yeah, I love it so far. I'm so happy with this purchase. It was a gift. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know who you are. Thank you for making my trip just amazing. It's definitely worth it. Yeah. So I don't really know. It's just one of those quick videos. If you're more interested in a review, let me know. And once I wear this bag for a couple months, like 2 or 3 months, then I'll do an honest review. For now, it's just an unboxing, just so you guys can know what it looks like on me. I am 5'8". I weigh about 170, 175. I know you can't really tell, but that's it. I'm very open and honest. Nothing to hide here in terms of my weight and my height. It's just, I don't know why some people do. I mean, I know, but like, I don't know. It's not that serious. So if you're interested in any more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Trust me, I'm bringing it live and direct. I'm not wasting your time. I didn't want to purchase this bag in the US because I knew that I was going to be traveling to Europe, and I know that things are way cheaper there, so it was no point for me to waste that money and pay the tax. So I'm definitely happy with my purchase, and I will be using this purse soon. It's summertime, and yeah, everyone deserves like a little pick-me-up. Everyone deserves to be spoiled. If you love these videos, like I said before, like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for the love and support. Love you guys.